Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel 8, and I'm gonna show you how to improve your battery life on this device. Firstly, you need to open the control panel, and in control panel disable all unnecessary features. So first, of course, disable newbie share if you don't need to share files right now. So just disable it. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need the Bluetooth right now. Disable Wi-Fi or mobile data if you use one of them, so you don't need to have enabled both of them because both of them consume battery power. Of course, disable location services. It's here. Click on it. And cool. Nextly, open settings. Find battery, and in battery you have battery saver, and you can enable standard battery saver or extreme battery saver. In extreme battery saver, as you can see, we can check all, so it will be enabled only essential apps, so pre-installed apps, and non-essential you can add. For example, you need only, I don't know, recorder app in extreme battery saver, so click enable. It will enable dark mode, of course, and as you can see, all not pre-installed apps are disabled. Not essential apps are disabled, excluding the recorder, of course, because we have added it to the explosions. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.